Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Whirlpool WMCS7022PZ Microwave is showing the wrong time or flashing after a power outage, you're definitely not alone. Many users notice that the clock resets or starts blinking, and it's not always obvious how to fix it because the buttons can look a bit confusing at first. The clock is important not just for time display, but also for properly using timer-based cooking functions. The best thing is that once you know the exact steps, setting the clock takes less than a minute and ensures your microwave runs exactly the way it should. Try these. Step 1. Press the clock button on the control panel. Step 2. Enter the current time using the number keypad. Step 3. Select AM or PM. Step 4. Press the clock or start button to confirm. Step 5. If incorrect, press cancel and re-enter the time. Step 6. Check the display to ensure the correct time is set.